today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, the 1926 Ford Model T Coupe. This was more than just a car, it was a revolution on wheels that changed transportation forever. The 1926 Model T Coupe came with a more refined and stylish look compared to earlier versions, showing Ford's shift toward improved aesthetics while maintaining affordability. On the outside, the 1926 model featured a taller radiator and a lower, sleeker hood line, giving the car a more modern appearance for its time. The fenders were slightly widened and curved more elegantly, and the coupe body gave it a sturdier, more weather-resistant form. It had wooden spoke wheels, a steel body, and a signature black paint job that became part of the Ford legend, although by 1926, Ford had started offering some color options like green and maroon to stay competitive. Under the hood, the Model T Coupe was powered by a 2.9-liter inline-four engine, producing around 20 horsepower. That might sound small by today's standards, but this engine was incredibly reliable and easy to maintain. It was paired with a 2-speed planetary transmission, which was operated by foot pedals instead of a traditional gear shifter. Driving a Model T wasn't easy by modern standards, but once mastered, it was surprisingly efficient. It could cruise comfortably around 35 to 40 miles per hour and offered fuel economy between 13 to 21 miles per gallon, making it both practical and economical for the average American family of the 1920s. Inside the cabin, the 1926 Coupe offered basic but functional comfort. It had a single bench seat covered in leatherette, enough to seat 2 passengers. The dashboard was minimal, featuring only essential controls. The steering wheel was large and placed at a steep angle, typical of the era. What made the interior stand out was its durability. The materials were built to last, and the simplicity meant fewer components to break or wear out. For the time, it was considered a well-made and practical car that offered shelter from the elements thanks to its enclosed body, a real luxury in those days when open cars were still common. When it comes to pricing, the 1926 Ford Model T Coupe originally sold for around $525, which would be roughly $8,000 to $9,000 in today's money. That price made it incredibly accessible and helped Ford dominate the market. Today, if you're a collector or classic car enthusiast, finding a well-restored Model T Coupe can cost anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000 depending on condition and originality. Some unrestored or partially restored examples may be found for less, while highly detailed restorations with all original parts can fetch even higher prices at auctions. This car was a masterpiece of its time, combining simplicity, durability, and affordability in a way that helped motorize the world. The 1926 Ford Model T Coupe wasn't just transportation, it was freedom, progress, and innovation on wheels. If you're into vintage